Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting usable levels. Set the input so peaks are about 6 to 10 dB below clipping. Once done, engage the compressor with a gentle 2:1 ratio. This controls dynamics without squashing the natural attack. Make sure attack is around 10 to 20 milliseconds so pick transient still breathes, and release at 100 to 300 ms so the tail of chords recovers. You should hear subtle gain reduction. Aim for 2-4 dB on loud strums, not a flat, dead tone. Now you shape how the compressor affects tone and feel. If the part needs tighter dynamics, raise ratio to 3 or 4 to 1. That evens out driving strums while preserving chord definition. Conversely, slow the attack to soften pick clicks, speed it up to retain transient snap. Once threshold and gain reduction are set, apply makeup gain to restore perceived loudness, and make sure to /B against bypassed signal so you're hearing musical improvement rather than finish by placing the compressed guitar into the full mix. You should blend a touch of the compressed signal with a dry track for a natural, parallel feel that keeps transients lively. Once in context with vocals and other instruments, make subtle tweaks to make up gain and tone. If you hear unwanted pumping, lengthen the release or raise the threshold a bit, alternatively lower the ratio. Finally, trust your ears and recheck levels after playback to confirm the compressor is helping the song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.